Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Fixing Yahoo Mail on your iPhone is a common task for many users. People often face issues with syncing or logging in. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your data or local network is active. Next, verify if Yahoo servers are down. You can use various server status sites for this. If the servers are fine, update your iPhone software. Go to Settings and tap General. Then select Software Update. Always keep your iOS current for the best performance. You should also update the Yahoo Mail app itself. Open the App Store and check for any pending updates. If the app is current, try a simple restart. Turn your iPhone off and then back on. This often clears small software bugs. If the problem stays, remove your email account entirely. Go to Settings and tap Mail. Select Accounts and pick Yahoo. Tap Delete Account to remove it. Restart your phone one more time. Now, go back to the Mail settings. Tap Add Account and choose Yahoo from the list. Enter your email address and password carefully. Sometimes you might need a special app password. This happens if you use extra security on your account. Check your Yahoo security settings online to generate one. Another tip is to check your fetch settings. Go to Mail settings and tap Fetch New Data. Ensure it is set to push or a frequent interval. This helps your new emails arrive on time. Also, check your local storage space. If your iPhone is full, apps might fail. Delete large files or old photos. These simple steps fix most Yahoo Mail problems on an iPhone.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.